Hello and welcome to the library video series. This video shows how to use Business Source Complete to find company profiles in the Marketline report. To locate Business Source Complete, go to the Edison State webpage. There, select the Resources link and then the library icon. This is the Edison State Library main page. Scroll down to the blue box that says Edison State Databases and select that. Business Source Complete is the second database listed under the most popular databases. If on campus, make sure you select the on campus link, and if off campus, select the off campus link. The off campus link will require login information, which is the last name and first name of the person requesting the item, and then the library code number. The library barcode number is 1973 plus your student ID number, including the zeros. This is Business Source Complete. To locate company profile, select the More tab in the middle portion of the page and select the company profiles from the drop-down menu. This is the search screen for company profiles in Marketline reports. Searches can be done through the search bar, or by selecting the alphabetical listing, or by scrolling through the companies to find the one of interest. To search for a specific company, you enter the company name in the search bar and select Browse. The results are displayed in order, and instead of selecting the company name, you'll want to select the Marketline report. In the Marketline report, you can scroll through the document by just scrolling through on the left, or you can select the title page, and the title page has hyperlinked items that will take you specifically to that area of the report. As you see, there's 175 pages. Let's select the major products and services, and this provides a list of major products and services offered through Amazon. To go back up to the top of the document, you just take your mouse and scroll back up. You're back on the table of contents, and you can work through the document this way. Additional options for the Marketline report include saving it to the Google Drive, the cloud, printing it, emailing it, downloading it, and this button will cite it. And it provides a variety of formats. Scroll through the different formats until you find the one looking for. In this case, we'll select the MLA. Make sure you verify the information in here for formatting issues to make sure it follows all the guidelines specified. And you can save the hyperlink. Thank you for watching Edison State Library video series.